In today's quick tip, we're going to learn how to take an SVG and convert it to XAML so you can use it in PARCview. Let's do a quick example with a map. So I'm going to start just by Googling US map SVG. So I get all of these different options and I'm just going to find one that I like. And then I'm going to save this to my desktop. So right click, save image as. And you're just going to make sure that that file type is SVG. So I will save this, and I've already done this, so we'll have it as a 1, saved. And open up Graphics Designer. In the File section of Graphics Designer, we have this SVG to XAML option, and so we can actually hit Convert. Now this is what we use for Pi conversions and things like that, but it also works for simple SVG conversions as well. So we can use this ellipses here to find our file. So here's the new one I just created, and we can hit Open and Convert. Then we just save the SAML, and I can save it, and it's saved. I can go ahead and open that file. Now say I want to map each state to a tag. I can select a state. Now this one looks like I have all my state, the colors grouped together. So I'll just go ahead and right click and ungroup. And now my states are independent. So I can come over to Tag Browser and get my temperature tag and apply it to a single state. Now with my converter, I can map it and can say, if it is 50, it's going to be, 0 to 50, it's green, and then if we're above 50, it can be red, something like that. And then when I run it, it's red. Go ahead and take a look at that tag really quick. And I'm at 85. So that looks like it's working. So this is just another way to utilize PARCgraphics. Thanks for watching.